So the verdict is out. I posted around 3 to 4 YouTube shorts every single day for the past 30 days, and this is how it worked out. I posted around the same time, used similar audio, and posted generally about the same topics. I started off posting with very specific hashtagged out content with super specific thumbnails, descriptions, and all that. And the first comment was mine. I would even comment like another thought about what I was posting. Then as time went on, I started to go even a more general route and just start doing cool stuff that I wanted to shoot. Just like cool photography tricks or lens tricks that I wanted to post about, or cool locations that I've been to because of photography, or even cool client work that I've been doing over the past couple of months. As I started to get less in my niche in terms of photography and videography, like, you know, how to do certain things with the camera, the views went up, the likes went up, all that went up, but that's not really my goal right now. My goal as a YouTuber is really to build an audience and ultimately instill confidence in you guys to really pick up a camera and do the best job that you can. So the experiment continued, and like YouTube, when you post at a certain time, it's gonna get pushed out to a certain audience. When you use certain words like crazy, aesthetic, destiny, peak life, lucky, these are words that I've used in my titles that have really had something to do with the content, but ultimately was used to garner more views. And it ultimately worked out when it comes to videography. The ones that didn't work out were ones that were really specific, talking about a certain setting on my Sony camera, because not that many people are looking for Sony a6100 crop settings on the fourth model. That wasn't even a correct statement, but you get the picture. Now, if you're looking to blow up and become like famous from YouTube Shorts, don't copy other people. My biggest successes is when I was super unique to what I was doing, like just my experience in my life. Don't view somebody else's TikTok or YouTube or Instagram Reels and feel like you gotta copy that exact format. Don't do it. Do what you want to do. Include similar music because that's what's being pushed right now on this platform, but do your own thing. Like I had pictures of the moon, and then I would cut from what I shot on my iPhone to pictures of the moon. And that YouTube short killed it. Really, that's what you have to do. Be yourself on this platform and just keep experimenting. Post multiple times. If one video flops, then just doesn't matter. It's on to the next one. That's what's good about this platform. The more you post, the better you'll get at the YouTube shorts. And overall, it's a learning experience because if you're good at making these videos turn around, when you get to bigger clients and you start working for, you know, weddings and music videos and all that type of stuff, you start doing content for clients and they're looking for that quick turnaround. They're looking for that captivity and this skill that you learn from getting random strangers to watch your video all the way through and maybe even comment, good or bad. They look for somebody who gets the eyeballs on their product from anywhere, any means necessary, either from the thumbnail, the title, the actual video, the comment section, and they want somebody who's good at it. So if you give it a try in the beginning and it's rough and you don't get any views, don't be discouraged, keep going. My beginning YouTube shorts got like 0 views, and I got one that had 86,000, another one at 20,000 in the same exact day, and other ones with 13. 14. Some of them are gonna flop, and that's the beauty of YouTube. You have videos that are gonna flake, do terrible, and they might have been your favorite thing, but it's on to the next one. It's your boy Kip Jackson, start somewhere, gang gang, peace.